Hello everyone, today video is not a tutorial, but in this video, I will give you a project file of this New Year animation, and Happy New Year to all. Now let's see how to customize this animation. First you need to install all the fonts that are available in this folder. You can view the preview by click on preview video. You can download the sound from this URL address. Now you can double-click on project file. Now, our project file is open. You can easily customize anything in this template. Here is animation 1. Here is animation 2. You can choose any one, and here is all text. Now we rewrite the quote. Click on typing tool, and type what you want. We type welcome. Make sure your text align is center. Let's see the final output. Here is animation 1. Here is animation 2. You can see how easy it is. Now we undo the editing. Let's edit New Year text. We just erase text. Let's see the final output. Here is animation 1. Here is animation 2. You can see how easy it is. Now we again undo the editing, and let's see how to customize all the elements. You only need to customize the yellow layer. Now we customize quote color. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for latest videos. Now we customize balls color. Now we customize New Year text color. Now we customize stroke line color. You can also customize the mask layer of background. Please give your love and support so we will reach the target of 100 subscribers in 2 days. To increase our YouTube family, please subscribe to us. In animation 2, we follow the same rules, only customize the yellow layers. I hope this template will help you spread love in this new year. Please give your love and support to reach our target of 100 subscribers. Happy New Year to all.